Hello, welcome to my channel. Ready to showcase all your skills on Upwork? Here's a simple guide to adding multiple skills to your profile. First, log in into your Upwork account and navigate to your profile. Click on your profile. Scroll down to the Skills section of your profile. Now click on Edit button and start selecting multiple skills that is relevant to you and hit the Save option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to smash that like, share and subscribe button for more informative content.